Our eternal future depends upon whether we believe there's a God. And to some extent, the big problem there is that we don't believe there's a God because we believe science has disproved him. One of the ways we believe that science has disproved him is because we have an alternative explanation for the existence of the universe through the Big Bang Theory. And the Big Bang Theory, as Stephen Hawking suggests, has no need for a God or a creator of any sort. Well, what is the evidence that we have for the Big Bang Theory? Supposedly, if the Big Bang Theory is true, we should see what's called population 3 stars and galaxies. These are the evolutionary predecessors of our current galaxies and stars. These are ones which only have hydrogen and helium. For the Big Bang Theory posits that stars and galaxies were formed as dust clouds which only had at the outset hydrogen and helium. These would then die out, and in the explosions, the resulting explosions as they compressed, they would create the heavier metals that we see in our current galaxies and stars. Well, the Hubble telescope never found any of these population 3 galaxies or stars. The hope was that the James Webb telescope, with its ability to peer even further into the far distances of the universe, would come across these. And the evidence now is that they have found none. So not only has the James Webb telescope found mature galaxies and stars as far as we can see, which contradicts the Big Bang Theory, but it cannot even find any examples of population 3 galaxies and stars. Now, if they did find a few, that wouldn't be a problem to creation model, because God can do whatever he likes in terms of creating stars and galaxies which don't have heavy metals. But it's absolutely critical to the validity of the Big Bang Theory that such galaxies and stars can be found. The fact that they cannot be found shows that the Big Bang Theory is false. Would that the scientific community would take these things seriously? Instead, there's an incredible blindness to the implications of what they're seeing. They just do not want to believe there is a God. They do not want to believe that their theories are false. And they'll do almost anything to avoid that conclusion. The tragedy is all of our eternal salvations depend upon coming to the right conclusions about the world we see and the universe we see. Well, thank you for listening.